Everyone, so Turns Videos once again, and here's just an outside view of the garage door without the car in. So, I don't have the remote, so I just need to use the keypad. $377. I had something funny happen yesterday. So, I opened the garage door yesterday to put the trash in. The recycling. And the back light lens just fell off. It just kind of came down like that. It didn't fall on the floor, but it just came down. I had to put it so I put it back. The last are 3280. Let's go back outside. It's like 30 degrees it's like 35 degrees right now, and I'm cold, so this might be a bit shaky. Alright. And I still haven't replaced that cable. Okay, let's close it. There we go. It's a flush panel. It does jump right there, but that's normal for low headroom. Alright, well, that's going to be it for this video. I'll see you in my next one. Bye-bye.